Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will begin with the Adavus of lesson number 14. So first begin with step number 1. So first I will show the feet movement. We have to take Aramandi posture. Ta, te, ya, ta, 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 dhi, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. The footwork is very simple. You need to jump on toes, tap the feet on the ground, and again tap the feet 2 times. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. So now begin with the hand gestures. First we have to take Kataka Mukha Hasta, and along with the feet we have to do the hand. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. So here what I am doing, while jumping on toes, my hand is changing from Kataka Mukha to Alapadma, and while tapping the heels, again it's changing from Alapadma to Kataka Mukha. Ta, te, ya. So it will go simultaneously. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Di, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Di, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. So this is step number 1. Again. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Di, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Di, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. So now begin with step number 2. I'll show the feet movement. So step number 2, we have to do in Sthanaka posture, means standing straight. So the feet movement is very simple. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Di, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Just tapping the feet thrice. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And hand posture is Pataka Hasta, and it will be spread in both the sides. So start. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Di, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Again I repeat. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Di, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. So along with hand, eye movement also will be there. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Di, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Ta, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Di, te, ya, ta, ta, ta. Thank you.